don't do that. God.
I can do that too. I'm almost out of gas though, chap. Just ate a little Mexican restaurant. We about to head to the parking garage, chill out for a little bit, get y'all a little flick or two, drive through the city. Y'all just chilling with me today, for real, chap. I forgot I didn't have my e-brake up. Hey, redo that. I forgot I didn't. Hey, that's my insurance for my insurance company. This is for my insurance company. A nice car. Hey.
Hey, don't throw rocks on my car. You hear that? Yeah.
Hey, boy. Hey, we kind of got a little jazz music going. Hold up. Christmas tree. Christmas tree. We kind of sound the same. We got to keep up with the family. Got to keep up with the gang. A little night drive through the city, man. Oh, shit. Did someone just get smoked, Chad, or type shit? Sound like it. I just heard goom. I just hope it wasn't me. Little nightlife, Tokyo drift type. I'm feeling like I'm in that movie Cars. I'm feeling like them people on the interstate again, swerving in and out of cars. Getting a nice little tour of the city, man. Nothing too crazy on a Thursday, on a thirsty Thursday at that, man. Sheesh. Breaking necks coming through, hella money coming through, and we all under 20, man. Really all under 25. Is that a big track? I don't think that's a big track. Nope, it's got red calipers. Definitely not no Trekkiano. Make sure your bike can make it through here without scraping. About to set off every car alarm in this joint. But car show meet, like this is some exotic car show type shit. Type shit. We about to get out of here, man. Gotta see this one. Them rocks on the interstate. Even the rocks on the interstate, y'all saw us go through that median.
Bro, you got a whole ass GoPro.
Trying to vlog, you know, keep it on the head. You know, appreciate you. Y'all can see both the GTRs, Alpha package. We got Sawyer, what you got to tell him? Any inspirational content for him? What you got to say? 1 sentence banger, maybe a 2 sentence banger.
Hold on, I got quotes in my phone.
Alright, the quotes, we're gonna come back with the quotes chat, but y'all can see which GTR y'all doing. I'm not either, that's why I write them all down in my notes. I'm gonna let you come up with the heat. But, alright, what do we got?
Nothing changes if nothing changes.
There we go. What does it mean? Put it in meaning form.
It means if you don't change anything about your life or in general, then nothing's gonna change.
That's what
For the better or worse, whatever, nothing's gonna change.
And y'all remember that. Y'all better follow by that. Next time we see him, we're gonna get another quote. And another quote. If I see you in public, we're gonna have to get a quote. But 1,000 horsepower package. Y'all can see that GTR, and y'all have seen Taylor's GTR before. And try to show y'all a little walk around so y'all can see everything. I think same body style, just 2 different kits, chat. Y'all can see, look at this. Corsa exhaust, so if y'all want to know the difference in this GTR, this is that, I don't even know, Army Truck exhaust. They sound a little bit different, but y'all can let us know which one y'all think is even more crazy. Y'all let us know. 2 different interiors, black. This one's got a red interior. Also, this one's a lot lower, chat. I can see this one right here. Look at that, chat. She's low. And then we are gonna show love to the Supra too. Just so y'all didn't think we forgot about the Supra. I know some of y'all are watching love the Supras too. So y'all can see Bro's Supra right here as well. I don't know what's done to this, but you can see all the whips out in Spartanburg in the small city. Bro, do what?
You're vlogging right now?
Trying to do a little bit of everything, you know what I'm saying?
How many output? 16. I'm 23. You're gonna throw me. Hey, it's my legal age, I'm 23.
We see on your story.
Exactly. He's just recording that.
That's what I'm saying. I'm just
What's
here.
your YouTube channel?
It's Bailey Wise.
Oh,
do a little bit of
so
car
you
stuff.
is the motherfucker. Okay.
What you mean?
I see a motherfucker on
all the
Camaro.
time.
I thought it was
You
him.
said driving around? Like you said driving around or just?
No, like on the supercars.
Oh,
I've seen that.
Go like this shit. Go like
what?
this shit.
I've seen the Super. Is that yours?
No, that's brown t-shirt down
What you got
there.
done to your car?
It's just got an exhaust, nothing. An intake. I just got it.
No, but
Not just
the blue one's
Based on
yours?
all the cops, you should do the rev bomb the fuck out of it.
The blue one's yours?
No, the Camaro.
Oh, dude, that shit is nice as
I
fuck.
appreciate it, bro.
I fuck with Camaros.
I appreciate it.
I'm stuck in an ST, but you know it's
But
alright.
now you get up. Bro. How old are you?
16.
16. You see, it's still young, bro. You got time to, you know what I'm saying?
Where you working?
You what?
Where you working?
I tint windows, car windows.
So where are you whipping?
The Camaro. I mean, I like it. Yeah,
that's nice.
It's not the GTR, but it's only got an exhaust and intake, so 650 stock.
That's fast.
But that's at the crank, so
My car's not fast.
it's got the Z06 motor in it. You know, Corvette motor.
You're not one of the girls from Spartanburg, bro. How old are you?
22.
Damn, you're doing pretty good.
Appreciate it. I've been tinting windows since I got out of high school, so it don't take long, bro. 4 years.
So like kind of long, but I mean it feels forever. But once you get up there, you're like,
You just take time. It feels forever. Like,
Yeah.
it feels like I've been doing it. Do what?
yeah, you're doing good.
I'm financing.
But still, to pay that guy payments, that's like what, 2K a month?
No, 900.
Still, dude, 73K just to get it, and then down payment's probably like what?
I put only, I had a Hellcat Charger before, so I traded in, so I probably had 10, 15,000 or so only in the car, so I mean, I'm just,
Still though,
good credit,
Yeah.
get your payments low enough, you know what I'm saying? Credit helps. I was about to try to record and get post at reactions, but they let, like normal people, they let you pay just to track it for a day, or how do you?
No, I track my own cars. Bring your own car.
Yeah.
The dude, you seen the dude up at Cars and Coffee that brings all those cars that are rentals?
I don't know. I don't think so. I haven't been.
He's got like a 488
That
Ferrari.
McLaren too, don't it? He's younger.
I don't know. He's got the new Corvettes. He's got like an older Z06, C7 Z06, I think is what it's called.
Maybe.
He's got a bunch of shit.
I might have seen something, but you went with him or?
No, he was up there to track me that day. Yeah.
But they let you bring your car, you pay, or do you have to like
$1,200 or something.
a day or
Like the whole day, yeah.
that should be fun. You took what car did you take up there?
I took the Supra that the guy from Short.
Oh shit! I didn't realize that you're the guy that got his Supra. That shit's crazy, bro. I didn't even know
It was
that.
slow as fuck.
Really?
Nah, it was pretty fast.
You like it compared, or
I liked it.
it's not as fun as other stuff? Or?
It's not as fun as like the R8 or anything like that. I mean, I couldn't drift in the R8 because it's all-wheel drive. But on the Supra, I drift.
Yeah, them shits are drift.
These are like little drift cars.
They really are. They're small as hell. That's what you took up there? You took the Supra up there? That'd be fun as hell.
He don't like that. I don't like it either, bro. He's talking about the color matched spoiler. I don't think that shit looks good. That's what he didn't either, did he?
No, I think it looks good if it doesn't have like a whole bunch of other carbon.
I just don't like. If you did it, it looks good on this car because anything looks good on these cars. These cars just look really good.
If anything, you should do like if you were to like paint it black.
You gotta get one headlight
Solid black looks so good on these cars.
and one headlight.
Green wrap.
What?
Y'all sent a
One
picture of.
headlight.
Oh my god.
The vent headlight.
A lime green. You want to put a lime green? You want to put lime green on that?
Huh?
Not a lime green. He said he wants lime green on his car.
Green,
the
that
roof?
look pretty good though.
No.
Dude, low key.
Lime green and red?
No, he's talking about the whole car.
Oh,
Oh, the whole car.
Yeah. I say red.
Yo, what do you do for a living?
literally. Hey, come here.
You know, I do a little bit of this, a little bit of that.
Yeah, I got you.
That shit's funny walking up to people and it's recording.
I don't take pictures.
Like, what do you do? Should I stand on that side so you can get both of them? You got to be able to get both of them, don't you? Or do you gotta like look surprised? You gotta be like, do some weird shit. Did I stand? I don't know if I stood still long enough. I'm gonna be like, oh, I love this GTR.
That's the one.
I look like a despicable me, bro. What the fuck? Look at this shot. We got. It looks like it could just be the PPF though, really. Like it could have just shattered the PPF.
I don't know how that works.
So PPF is just like a fat ass. It's pretty
like
much
a
tint
plastic.
see-through. So that shit might not be. Yeah, that's a whole lot.
Dude, do not be calling my shit out.
Oh, my fault.
Troy. That one down there, it might
We need
not be.
words of wisdom.
That one down there might just be PPF.
Yeah, facts. It's just white.
Y'all can see he just picked this thing up yesterday. He's got the STO and this. He had the R8, sold that, got the STO. Now he's got this Alpha, like 1000 plus GTR, and y'all can see it's wrapped, full wrap. A little bit of black down here. This right here, I think is so that you don't burn the bumper with the flame beams. You know what I'm saying? But look at this, bloody guts, red interior, black interior. Y'all can't see the inside of that one. I got that, dude. Real GTR living like GTA in here, boy. I'm definitely going big fat park bench type. What y'all going? Y'all going big wing? Y'all going medium wing? Y'all going medium carbon wing? Unreal.
I'll shoot you.
Alright, cuz. Nice to meet you. GTR.
Oh, you're leaving? I'm gonna spin your tires or some shit.
Spin your tires or some shit. A little rev. A little. You see that big boy right there? He's catching a free ride. That's gang.
That's gang.
He's riding on a Z today. She's living lovely. Damn, you can't go in there.
Don't get him.
Bro, in my crib right now. No, you can't be there, big dog.
That shit be bothering. I'd be like, dude, where you go?
Bro. Damn. They're about to start shooting a flame. Damn, we got flame beam. It just didn't. How do you do it? I'm gonna sit here like this just for the thumbnail.
got to get us like all recording.
That's what I'm saying.
Everyone come out and take pictures.
That's what I'm saying.
Over here.
It'll be alright.
Nobody cares.
Nobody cares about the content, man. Nobody wants to be on the big
Just trying to
screen.
help her out.
I appreciate you though.
They're like, nah.
I got you. I got myself. Thank you, Dick.
You gotta take it home. Hey, Cam, you gotta go by my house regardless. You gotta take Sawyer home.
I can drive.
What's wrong with you? Yeah, he's wrong. All right, go with me. It's up. You say He just wants to ride.
GTR ride.
We dipping? We out.
I think we're dicking right now.
All right, we can.
Alright, did they just leave you?
Pull right here.
I think you're walking home at this point. Fuck
He
it.
will. They'll do something. Oh, I know you would. Follow, man. Come on, man.
Alright, see y'all. See y'all, boys. Yeah, you can ride. Ah!
Hey, watch yourself, buddy.
Where are you going? Bro got left. Good to meet you, brother. Good to meet you. Yes, sir. Y'all be safe. Thank you. That shit's crazy.
He said, damn.
That shit's crazy.
Wait, hey, y'all go to the top. Y'all go to the top. Oh, hey, man, that shit, man.
Hey, I need to get gas.
I do too.
Huh?
We got to go to Spinks.
Is it down here? Is there one down here with E?
There, I don't know.
Y'all know if there's a gas station that has E out here?
Yeah, Spinks.
Is it close to here?
It's next to YMCA.
YMCA? Okay, yeah, we'll just go to that.
Alright, we leaving, man. Appreciate them boys for real. Sheesh. And we leaving. That's what y'all wanted, man. Good meetup session. Shout out to them boys. They're real respectful, man. Never had somebody wish me the best. So shout out to them boys if you are watching, chat.